Digital balance. Nowadays, for accurate measure, digital balance are used, which measure mass accurately even up to a few milligrams. The least value being 10 gram. Figure 1.11 is this is electric device is easy to handle and commonly used in jewelry shops and labels. Activity 3. With the resources such as paper plates, tea cups, thread and sticks available at home, make a model of an ordinary balance. Using standard mass, find the mass of some objects. Spring balance. This balance helps us to find the weight of an object. It consists of a spring fixed at one end and a hook attached to a rod at the other end. It works by Hooke's law, which states that the addition of weight produces a proportional increases in the length of the spring. Figure 1.12. A pointer is attached to the rod, which slides over a graduated scale on the right. The spring extends according to the weight attached to the hook, and the pointer reads the weight of the object on the scale. This is the spring balance scale. Difference between mass and weight. Mass M is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Weight W is the normal force N external by the surface on the body to balance against gravitational pull on the object. In the case of spring scale, the tension on the object when a man is standing on the surface of the earth or floor, the surface exerts a normal force on the body which is equivalent to gravitational force. The gravitational force acting on the object is given by milligram. Here m is mass of the object and gram. G is the acceleration due to gravity. G is gravity. Okay. Problem 3. If a man has 50 kg on the earth, then what is weight? Solution. Weight W equals milligram. Mass of a man equals 50 gram. His weight equals 50 into 9.8. W weight equals 490 Newton. The pull of gravity on the moon is 1/6 times heavier than that one earth on the earth. This causes the weight of the object on the moon to be less than that one on the earth by 6 times. Acceleration due to gravity on the moon equals 1.63 ms power by 2 minus 2. If the mass of a man is 70 kg, then his weight on the earth is 686 Newton and on the moon is 114 Newton, but his mass is still 70 kg on the moon. Accuracy in measurements. When measuring physical quantities, accuracy is important. Accuracy represents how close a measurement comes to a true value. Accuracy is accuracy in measurement is center in engineering, physics, and all branches of science. It is also important in our daily life. You might have seen in jewelry shops how accurately they measure gold. What will happen if little more salt is added to food while cooking? So it is important to be accurate when taking measurements. Faulty, faulty instruments and human error can lead to inaccurate values. In order to get accurate values of measurement, it is always important to check the correct correctness of the measuring instruments. Also, reparating, repeating the measurement and getting the average value can correct the errors and give us accurate value of the measured quantity. Points to remember. First point, quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Example, length, mass, time, temperature, etc. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Example, area, volume, and density, etc. A unit is the third point. A unit is the fundamental quantity with which unknown quantities are compared. Third point. Fourth point. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, intensity, and mole are the fundamental units in SI system. Fifth, to find the length or thickness of smaller dimensions, vernier caliper and screw gauge are used. Astronomical unit is the mean distance of the sun from the center of the earth. 1 AU equals 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Next point, light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year in vacuum. 1 light year equals 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Next, parsec is the unit of distance used to measure astronomical object outside the solar system. 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom, a degree equals 10 power minus 10 meter. SI unit of volume is cubic meter or meter by power by 3. Generally, volume is represented in liter. 1.1 ml equals 1 centimeter power by 3. Least count of screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. Least count of vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Common balance can measure mass accurately up to 5 gram. Accuracy of physical balance is 10 milligram. Thank you.